Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and I am your host Nishant Krishna. We are going to explore New York today. Hotel is very close to the Princeton railway station. So temperature is today 3 degrees at Princeton. So today I am planning to explore the World Trade Center, Statue of Liberty, Wall Street and all of that. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to be notified on the next video. I have a lot more interesting United States videos coming up. So guys, here I am at the Princeton station. I got my train ticket to Newark and I've taken a round trip, so that cost me around $23. So here I am waiting for the next train to Newark. So you can see here that there is a waiting hall for people who are coming into Princeton. So in case you think that the next train to Newark might take time, so you have a waiting room. So waiting room opens at 5:15 a.m. in the morning. You find it till 8 p.m. and then on Saturdays and Sundays it's open till 3 p.m. It's nice to see such waiting rooms in the station. And here we are waiting for the next train. And there are huge parking lots, if you can see. These are huge parking lots outside the station.
So that's the Amtrak train, which is managed by the National Railroad Passenger Corporation, which is the National Passenger Railroad Company of the United States. It operates intercity rail service in 46 out of the 48 US states and 3 Canadian provinces. So these trains run between major cities, so it does not stop in every station. It would only stop at major hubs. Few trains stop at Princeton as well. This is an Amtrak train which is going to Boston, but we can't board this because this is more like an express train in India. We have the ticket for local commute, which is facilitated by NG Transit, which is like a local train. I will provide you more details about it. And then finally our NJ Transit train has come. It's a double-decker train. Remember, this is more like a local train, but look how good the trains are. NJ Transit is New Jersey's public transportation corporation. NJ Transit connects New Jersey to the neighboring states of New York and Philadelphia. It is United States' third largest provider of bus, rail and light rail transit. The agency operates an active fleet of 2,000 plus buses, 1,000 odd trains and close to 100 light rail vehicles. On 253 bus routes and 12 rail lines statewide, NJ Transit provides nearly 270 million passenger trips each year. And then I found a seat for myself. And our journey continues to Newark Penn Station, which is the border station between New Jersey and New York. It should take about an hour for me, and I gaze looking at the scenes outside.
I just reached Newark Penn Station here. This is the train through which I came to Newark Penn Station. So this is the train. This is the NJ Transit train which takes you places across New Jersey, Philadelphia and New York. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the next train, which is the PATH train to World Trade Center, and let's move towards the WTC. So guys, here I am taking the PATH train to WTC. So the journey to WTC should take about 25 minutes. Hey guys, here I am at the World Trade Center railway station. Remember, this is the world's most expensive railway station. I'll kind of explain to you how this network system works. So the first train that we boarded from Princeton to Newark Penn Station was NJ Transit. So NJ Transit kind of connects multiple places in New Jersey. New Jersey is a state, and NJ Transit kind of connects multiple cities in New Jersey. So what we did is we boarded at Princeton, and then we got down at Newark Penn Station, which is the border of New Jersey. Now from Newark Penn Station we took the PATH train, which is Ports Authority Trans Hudson. Now there's a Hudson River in between New Jersey and New York, and this train kind of connects New Jersey to New York. You can see this is the PATH train, and this is the train that we took from the Newark Penn Station to World Trade Center. So we got down at the World Trade Center in New York, which is one integral station in New York. Now from here you will get the metro, or what we call a subway, in New York, and this will connect multiple places within New York. So remember, here we are at the Oculus railway station, which is the world's most expensive railway station. And why is it the world's most expensive railway station? It is because the station was completely demolished during the 9/11 attacks, and this has been rebuilt in a way, and it's a architectural marvel. Now let's explore the Oculus, or the World Trade Center railway station here. Again and again I should remind you that this station has been completely rebuilt after the 9/11 attacks, and look at the architectural marvel here. Can you see this? So after the devastating September 11th attacks, plans were quickly put in place to rebuild and reimagine the World Trade Center. These plans included the idea for a transportation hub that would bring business and people back to the area, and that's the inception of the Oculus. By 2004, construction had begun, and 12 years later, the Oculus was open to the public. As a project with a commercial and artistic focus, the Oculus has come to represent the city's strength and a beacon for resilience. When rebuilding plans were discussed, one of the major issues to tackle was building a new station. City planners decided that the new station would be a combination, a transportation hub and a shopping center, a place that attracted residents and tourists alike. The aesthetic transportation hub not only welcomes those visiting the World Trade Center, but serves as a representation of New York's strengths and resilience after 9/11. The structure itself is a portrayal of the bird about to take flight from the hands of a young boy, to show that no matter what obstacle that city faces, it will always be hopeful. The work of rebuild of the Oculus New York City was started right after the incidents of 9/11, but the project took 14 years to be completed and opened in February of 2016. It ended up costing almost $4 billion, making it the world's most expensive train station in the world. So guys, now we are about to exit from the Oculus towards the World Trade Center. Look at how beautifully the station is made. There are a lot of retail stores in the station. So this is the structure of the Oculus. See this? Such massive, very beautifully erected building. Now we will go towards the 9/11 memorial. So there is a board here saying that this is the way I need to take to the 9/11 memorial. I think I am mesmerized by the beauty of this station. I mean, imagine this is a station that has been rebuilt. This entire place was demolished during the attacks, and this station is rebuilt from the scratch. And something that's rebuilt is at this level here. Looks excellent. So you can also find a lot of retail stores. I'm just looking at fragrance.com, which is more like a scent store. Then there is Tissot, which is the world famous watch store. There's another small escalator that we will have to take to exit towards 9/11 memorial. The good thing is it's all become very sunny here at New York, so it's the right time to explore the city. So the good thing is that you can explore the city. It's a bit cold here, but very, very, very pleasant. Look at the crowd. Look at the crowd. You see this? This is the memorial of 9/11. These are the streets of New York. This was a dream this is definitely a dream come true moment for me. This is definitely a dream come true moment for me. These are the streets of New York. We'll come to, that's the memorial for 9/11. We'll come here soon. But what I want to show you is the outside view of the Oculus. So you see this, that's the Oculus here. That's the train station that we entered.
Maybe if you guys go to the hotel,
that's the Oculus. It looks exactly like a bird, and the bird is ready to fly. That's the Oculus view. So what you see here is the 9/11 Memorial and Museum. So the museum is here, and here is the memorial. The memorial is located, as I showed you, right outside the World Trade Center site, the former location of the Twin Towers that was destroyed during the September 11 attacks. It is operated by a non-profit institution whose mission is to raise funds for program and operate the memorial and the museum at the World Trade Center. I'm sure we would all have had memories of listening to the news or looking at that very tragic event that happened here. But it's good to see that this city has recovered after such a big tragedy, but they have also made sure that nobody forgets whatever had happened here, and that's in this form of a memorial. You see a lot of names inscribed here, so it seems that these were the people who died during the 9/11 attack. These were the people who were there in the building at that point of time. And this is the museum of the 9/11. I saw there's a huge crowd there, so I might not want to spend too much time here because the sun sets early in New York. So I'm thinking that I should go to the Statue of Liberty before it starts getting dark. So we will quickly rush towards the Statue of Liberty because that's a sight I don't want to miss. It's so nicely done, right? There are trees everywhere, and there's a lot of small kiosks which sells merchandising and all of this. That's for the 9/11 attacks. So that's the first building which we saw. That's where the first building was, and you can see the second building right here. And this is the second part of the memorial. That's exactly where the second tower was. That's the Twin Tower for you. And you see this? That's the Oculus. The white color that you see, that's the Oculus building through which we came in.
It is an experience to remember. The way the people still remember the tragic event, but at the same time show their resilience to overcome this, is very touching and emotional. I spent some time here and then started to walk towards the Statue of Liberty. I'm going to end this video here, but the next edition will be very interesting for you as I explore Statue of Liberty in a ferry. Don't miss it and subscribe to my channel so that you get a notification once new videos are uploaded. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please do give it a thumbs up. Till the next edition, signing off, Nishant.